Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Daniel Heine, a fourth and final year student at iMate Leather Frac on the Level 8 Bachelor of Honours degree in Furniture and Wood Technology. This tutorial package, which was set up as part of my major project, will help convey the fundamental principles of a range of advanced Inventor features that have been released. To find out more about iMate Leather Frac, visit the webpage linked below or follow the college on Facebook or Twitter at iMate Leather Frac. This is the second video of a suite of tutorials which will go through the aid of creating a little drinks cabinet, help set up and go through the processes of using new Inventor tools, iMates, iFeatures, iParts and forms. Previously, we've gone through the basics of iParts and we created a handle. Now let's look at the next tool, which is iMates. Inventor iMates. iMates are a relatively new addition to Inventor and are used greatly to speed up the repetitive assembly processes. This short tutorial will give an overview of the functionality of iMates, discuss how to set up and apply a basic iMate, show the capabilities of iMates in the furniture and wood products industry. The next tutorial will show how to apply advanced iMates along with automatic replacement of parts in assembly. So here we are. Previously we made this little handle, which is an iPart, and it has three different possibilities associated with it. We can change it to a circular handle, elliptical handle, and it has loads of different materials added on as well. But now we want to set up an iMate. iMates, the basic iMate, we'll go to the Manage tab, up to your Manage tab, and go across to iMate. Click on this box and it'll throw up a dialog box that's much the same as your constraint box in an assembly. However, we're doing this in a part. So what happens is we're going to attach the constraint onto the part, so when you bring it into assembly, the constraint is already there, so it'll snap into place. So we're going to go to an insert constraint. Go to your flush constraint, aligned flush one, and then click on the flush part of the dowel, and then just apply that. And then a little lift pops up, and that's your little iMate. We're going to do the same to this side and apply that. Press cancel, and then your two iMates are set up already. And we can go over here and just look at iMates here, and you have two iMates here, insert two. Okay, so now we want to go and we're going to create a new part, and we're going to draw up a little door, and we're going to go rectangle, 2-point center, put it on the origin, and we'll make the door, say 500 by, make the door 400 by 600. Together. And finish that sketch. And we're going to extrude the little door and extrude them out 20mm on the little cabinet door. Now we're going to draw a sketch on the front face. So right click the front face, new sketch. We're going to draw two little circles. There and there. And then we're going to dimension the circles. So we get the diameter first. And we're going to call this dowel thickness. And let that equal to 4mm. That's snapping up here, and we're going to do the same to the other circle, dimension it, and then we've just already set up, so we're just going to this parameters dowel thickness and click the thick. Next thing we're going to do is dimension bottom dowel, and we're going to go to the center of that circle and hit the bottom of your door, and we're going to offset him up 50mm. And from the side then, we're going to offset them in 50 mil as well. Next we're going to constrain this fella, and he's going to be 50 mil from his friend. Oh no, 100 mil from his friend. 100 mil, and of course he's going to be offset in, but we'll do a constraint here. So constraints are other ways. Instead of using dimensions all the time, we can use a constraint. So we're going to click the center, and you can see a yellow line going up on your screen, and then we're going to click the center of that fella, and then it'll just snap into place. So it's a vertical, completely parallel with the two of them are aligned. Finish that sketch and go across to extrude. Go down to your two little holes, circles, and click the two of them, and then we're going to go that way, and we want the distance to be 4 mil, and it's cut, and that's it. Okay, click OK there, and you have two little holes for your handle, and we can save this, and we're going to call it door for iMate, and save that. Now we want to create a new assembly, standard assembly, create, and we're going to place our door. There's our door, and we're going to go down here to the bottom of the screen and interactively place the iMates. And you have to click this little dialog box. There's this one here also, but we're going to talk through that later on in the next video. So open up your door, place them in your assembly, and then we're going to go place our handle eye part and interactively place the iMates. Open it up and click in your handle. Okay. And we can go through across our table now. Because it's an eye part, we have several different possibilities here. We can have a square one, or we can have a elliptical one. So we'll just click in the two of them there. We'll click in the three of them. There's your square one as well. And then just dismiss that, and you have three handles there with the glyphs of iMates attached to them. Every one of them, see? Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to constrain the two of them. So I want you to hit your Alt key on your keyboard, and at the same time your left click button, click the iMate glyph. So two of them together, click the two of them, and then just drag it away from the handle, and then drag it over to the hole, and then let go, and it automatically constrains that little hole. You can drag them around out of the way there, and then we're going to do the exact same thing again. Alt, left click at the same time, and drag them over then to the hole and click them into place, and then that's your handle constrained automatically. You can also see that this works for the two of them. So the iMate glyph works with all the parts. So we can drag in the little other handle. You can get them and then drag them over to the hole, and just automatically pop them in there. Just zoom in there so you can see, and do the exact same again. Alt, left click, drag over to the hole, let go, everything, and then that's your other handle constrained. This has been Daniel Heine on advanced features for Inventor. Thank you.